Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a simple plot within the Scilab 2025. So now you can see that this is our working window of Scilab. So you can see this is our command window or console. So here we can directly make a plot. So here we have to declare a vector, that is a is equal to brackets, square brackets, 1, 12, 33 and 9, and we can also write like 40. So this is our vector and it has 5 values in it, that is 1, 12, 33, 9 and 14. So at 0th index it is 1, on second index or 1 index it is 12, and on 2 index it is 33. And all these values will be stored inside this variable a because this is our assignment operator. So now we will press enter and this is like this. That is 1, 12, 33, 9 and 14. After this has been done, we will declare another vector which must be like 10, 3 or 2, 14, 18 and 5. So these are random values, again 5 values. So in our vector A there are 5 values, and in vector B there are also 5 values. So now we will write plot A comma B. So x comma y means that first all the values of A must be displayed on the x-axis, okay, and B on the y-axis. Okay, so it is like a Cartesian system, that is x comma y. First the value of plot will be like 1 comma 10. Second is 12 comma 2. Okay. Third is 33 comma 14. We will press enter and here we got our plot, simple plot. So in this way we can make any sort of plot or graph within the Scilab. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.